Hello friends. So many people on different social media was asking me to share my scorecard for RRB IT officer scale 2, and they were saying like some people have missed it by very little margin, like 1 marks or 2 marks or 5 mark, or some people are there who have got some sectional cutoff and they could not clear sectional cutoff. So in this video, I will show you my RRB IT officer scale 2 scorecard. It's not final scorecard, it's a written scorecard or online single exam scorecard. The provisional allotment result I have already shared with you all, whatever the cutoff was there and which bank I got. You can find that video in my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. So this was my scorecard for written exam or online single exam. You can see date of exam was 25th September. IT officer scale 2. These are the scores which I have obtained. So you can see cutoff was 68.75 and I have scored 91 marks. It is around 22.25 marks more than cutoff. And section wise, professional knowledge cutoff was 2.25 and I scored 14.75. It's not very good score, but it was a bit tricky this time. Reasoning was very lengthy. It was not at all doable. You can see cutoff also is very low. एक नंबर बस कट ऑफ गया है रीजनिंग और फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस दोनों का. दोनों सेक्शन बहुत टफ थे इस बार. रीजनिंग आई हैव स्कोर्ड 13.5 and in financial awareness 17.75. Though I thought I will get 2-3 more marks in financial awareness, but I am not sure what would have happened. Maybe I would not have understand the question correctly, क्योंकि इस बार क्वेश्चंस डायरेक्ट नहीं थे, बहुत डीप और बहुत ज़्यादा घुमा फिरा के क्वेश्चन पूछा था फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस में. हिंदी लैंग्वेज इज़ अ मेस. इनिशियली आई थॉट हिंदी लैंग्वेज इज़ वेरी ईजी, और जब मैं स्टार्ट किया तो लगा मैं कहाँ आके फंस गया. आई शुड हैव डन विथ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आप हिंदी लैंग्वेज में बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं तभी हिंदी लैंग्वेज सेलेक्ट कीजिए. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कंपेरेटिवली ईजी होता है. हिंदी लैंग्वेज वॉज वेरी लेंदी. इट वॉज वेरी टाइम टेकिंग. Computer knowledge, I have scored 30 marks out of 40. So anyone who is preparing for IT officer exam, they can score well in computer language because it is very easy subject. You can score 25 to 35 very easily. Quant was easy this time, but I didn't get much time to attempt quant. I have completed these 5 sections and I have left with 20 minutes only. So in 20 minutes I have attempted just 19 questions. 18 was correct and 1 was wrong. That's why I have scored 17.75 marks and total 91 marks. And this is again the provisional allotment result. I have got Uttar Bihar Gramin Bank and the total score is 53.4. 48.75 is cut off, I think. You can see my other video. I have made the other video for final cutoff and all those things. And if you want to know like how much I scored in interview, after all calculation it is 17 out of 20 or 85 out of 100 I scored in interview. So that's all in respect to marks. And one thing I want to convey with you all, like this exam, especially RRB scale 2, this exam we have 6 sections. So we have to score a decent marks in all the 6 sections. Do not focus only 1 or 2 section and forget about other section. You have to give equal importance to all the sections. You have to give importance to professional knowledge also, financial awareness also, computer also, Hindi or English, whatever you are taking, quant and reasoning, all. Then only you can score well in total score, because it is not just like we have to clear the cutoff. You have to build one good score so that you can be in the final merit list. So you have to build a score of 15 or 20 plus at least, so that your selection will be 100% sure. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.